Okay, let's start with the first super important impression of this thing. This is so durable, it's crazy. Okay, you watch my videos and stuff, I do a lot of little bit of stupid things in them, and one of them is I fly it around another drone, and the two of them kind of came together, and this thing took the brunt of the impact, saved itself, did not crash into the ground, and really the only thing it has is the teeniest little scuff here, and it was really like a lot of bzzz. In any case, super durable. I did hit a couple trees, had it come down, no big deal. It is definitely super duper solid. Easy to fly. I actually, and I will say I appreciate that it is super easy to fly without using their app. You just use the remote control. So fun to fly. I find with these, although the app does work fine and the FPV works and the camera and that kind of stuff, it's so much less about that for me. For me, you have to have your eyes on it because they're not GPS drones, they're beginner drones, they'll fly away. It is very sensitive to the wind. If a big gust of wind comes, it's going in whatever direction the wind is. But at this point, that's fine. That's what you expect at this price point. But it's so easy to use. That's the other thing that you expect and want, right? It is easy to fly, easy to use, easy to put it up in the air. The trim works great. You just hit the button, do your trim, and then you hit the button again and it turns off the trim. You're flying perfect. Overall, this is definitely a 5 out of 5 for a beginner drone. Super cool, huge big fan. Hope that's helpful. Let's go check out the rest of that unboxing. Welcome to the past. You saw it fly, you watched my review, you're still here, so let's unbox it. I'm getting to see it for the first time, talk about this drone and its features. It is packed full of all kind of great features for a beginner drone. So number one, a nice feature that it has is check out this nice case. That is a really nice case and not the most common thing at this price point. Let's take a look and see what's inside this case. So this is a beginner drone. Ooh. Lots of cool stuff inside the case. Let's start with this. So this remote is a cool new upgraded remote with the built-in battery. So you don't have to mess with AA or AAA batteries and that kind of stuff. You just charge up the remote, and then the remote has a runtime of like 15 to 20 hours, which is pretty darn incredible. So I'm looking forward to that. I appreciate that I don't have to start with the batteries and stuff. This is kind of a classic remote, nothing super technical about it. It's got the mount separate for your FPV view on your cell phone or tablet, whatever you're choosing to use. Normal controls, one-touch takeoff, trimming. Yeah, this is all the normal kind of stuff. Start the camera, that kind of stuff. Circle features. I believe this is a zoom in and out, which would be really cool. Okay, so let's see what else is in the case here. Comes with 2 batteries, which between the 2 batteries, you're supposed to have about 30 to 35 minutes of fly time, which is great. These just plug in with a USB micro cable to charge them. I already showed you this is the mount for the FPV feature, so it is obviously an FPV drone. The video is 1080, which is obviously HD quality with 120-degree field of vision, which is nice. That is really broad. It has all of those features you want to see in it. It has gravity sensing, it has circle, it has one-touch takeoff, it has 3 different speed controls, it has a circle, a follow me, has gesture control, voice control, all those features. So it does come with, just so you can see, comes with extra blades, comes with blade guards. I highly recommend these if either you're a beginner or you're using them in the it in the house. There is no shame to blade guards. I use them regularly. It has saved many a marred up wall and trouble with the beautiful wife. So I highly recommend those. But let's take a look at the drone because it's really kind of unique and different looking. How cool is this thing? Okay, so let's first talk. This just feels solid, like not heavy solid, but like nice solid construction. There is nothing weak about this or like flimsy that seems like it's gonna break even if you were to crash it once or twice, which we all do from time to time. The blades just snap out like this, which is one of those nice things. Like, because they are hinged in the middle, they are a much heavier duty construction. As you can see, this portion here is really kind of large with a large LED on the bottom, but that's because these are brushed motors, which is a little less sophisticated than a brushless motor, but it seems to be delivering the kind of performance that you would want from a brushless motor. Here's the camera, which you could obviously adjust the angle of view. Outside of that, I can't tell you too much till I put it up in the air. So you've already seen it fly, you've already seen the review. I need to go play with it so I can give you those details. But from unboxing it here, this looks ridiculous. This is a complete package. All you do is you get this for somebody as a gift or get it for yourself, and you're ready to enjoy your drone with plenty of flight time. Okay, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.